Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge a Jeep Grand Cherokee battery. First, locate your vehicle's battery, which is typically found under the passenger seat. Next, gather your essential tools, including a reliable battery charger, safety glasses, and protective gloves. It's crucial to confirm that your battery charger is designed for a 12-volt automotive battery to ensure proper and safe operation. Always prioritize safety before beginning any work on your vehicle's electrical system. Before connecting anything, always put on your safety glasses and gloves to protect against potential battery acid exposure. Make sure your Jeep Grand Cherokee is completely turned off, and remove the key from the ignition for added safety. Now, carefully attach the red, positive charger clamp to the positive battery terminal, which is usually marked with a plus sign. Then, connect the black, negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block, away from the battery. Once your connections are secure, set your battery charger to the correct voltage and amperage according to your charger's instructions. For a standard 12-volt battery, a slow charge of 2 to 10 amps is often recommended for optimal battery health. Allow the battery to charge for several hours, or until your charger indicates a full charge. When finished, always disconnect the negative clamp first, followed by the positive clamp, to prevent sparks. To maintain your Jeep's battery health, regularly inspect the terminals for any signs of corrosion and keep them clean. If your Jeep Grand Cherokee sits unused for extended periods, consider using a battery tender to maintain its charge and prolong its lifespan. This simple step can save you from unexpected dead batteries. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.